Okay, in the last video we had done matrices exercise 9C up to sum number 15. Now we move forward to sum number okay, now you can see that sum number 16 has got some few sums, so we'll do the alternate sums there and then move on to sum number 17. So that's how we are going to go about. So we have sum number 16, the second sum. So exercise, this is 9C, sum number 16, second. It is given that x plus y, x minus 4, this is minus 1, 2, minus 2, 2 is equals to minus 7, minus 11 in this way, okay. We need to find out the value of x and y. This is multiplication, so you can see this is of the order 1 by 2, this is 2 by 2. So multiplication is possible. The resultant will be 1 by 2 matrix. So the first one we have to write twice. So it will be x plus y, x minus 4, x plus y, x minus 4. Now into minus 1 plus into 2 into minus 2 plus into 2. That's the answer. So this will be given to you as minus x minus y plus now this is 4, yeah, so it is 2x minus 8. Over here is minus 2x minus 2y and then plus 2x minus 8. Okay, and that is equals to minus 7 minus 11. So this gives us as x minus y minus 8, and this is as this gets cancelled, minus 2y minus 8 is equals to minus 7 minus 11. So this is minus 7 and this is minus 11. So we take this first. So minus 2y minus 8 is equals to minus 11. So minus 2y is equals to minus 11 plus 8. So minus 2y is equals to minus 3. So y is equals to minus 3 upon minus 2. Therefore y is equals to 3 upon 2. That's the first answer. Y is equals to 3 upon 2. Now put in the next question, that is x minus y is equals to minus 8 is equals to minus 7. So x minus y is equals to now x ka value we already know, y ka value we already know as 3 upon 2. So x upon 3 upon 2 is equals to minus 7 plus 8. So x is equals to 1 plus 3 upon 2. So x will be equal to 5 upon 2. There is 2, so 5 upon 2. So x is 5 upon 2 and y is equals to 3 upon 2. This is the answer for 16th second one. So 16 exercise 9C, 16th second one is 5 upon 2 and 3 upon 2. Got it? Now we move on to sum number 17, the complete sum. Now sum number 17 is a very important sum. In fact, these are the kind of sums which they normally ask you in boards and even in prelims. So we have to be very attentive for sum number 17. Now in each case given below, find the order of matrix M and the matrix M. So they are given over here. First one, 17 ka first, we are doing the 17 ka first only. We have M into 1, 0, 1, 2 is equals to 1, 2. So first they asked me is what is the order of matrix of M. So we know very well that this is multiplication possible only if, now this is, let's take it as R into C and this is 2 by 2. This is possible only if C is equals to 2. So C is equals to 2 here. Now, and the resultant over here will be, we know that this is 1 by 2, right? So automatically R becomes 1. So R is equals to 1. Therefore, order of matrix M is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, M is equals to, we'll take it as 1 by 2. So it is 1 and 2 columns. So A, B. We'll take it as A, B like this. And then we find it. So we see over here that will be A, B into 1, 0, 1, 2 is equals to 1, 2. I told you earlier also we do not have division of matrix. That's the reason we'll have to take it this way, multiply it and then evaluate with this. Okay, so that's why we are going to view multiplication only. Even I know that if division would have been there, I could have taken this directly over here and divided, but it's not possible because division of matrix is not done. So this I know I'm going to write it how many times? This is 2 times. So I'm writing A, B, A, B. Now into 1, into 0, into 1, into 2, plus sign here, plus sign here. This gives me is equals to as 1, 2. Or let's 1, 2. So this becomes A, right, plus B 0. And this becomes A plus 2B is equals to 1, 2. Accordingly, we have A is equals to 1 and A plus 2B is equals to 2. Therefore, 1 plus 2B is equals to 2. 2B is equals to 1. B is equals to 1 upon 2. So, find by this we get M is equals to, the matrix over here will be AB, that is 1, 1 upon 2. Very important to write this answer as the matrix M, because finding out just A and finding out B is not the criteria what we want. We are asked us to find out the matrix M. So matrix M is 1, 1 upon 2. So that is the matrix, and order of matrix was 1 by 2, which we found out earlier also. So order is 1 by 2. Just check up the answer. Sum number 17, the first one is given as 1 by 2, 1, 1 upon 2. Perfect, right? Now we see the sum number 18. Or else better, we'll do the sum number 17 ka second, because it is a similar kind of a sum and I want you to practice this thing properly. So I'll do the 17 ka second first and then we go to 19th and so on. So we jump to sum number 17 ka second. So 17th second, the sum goes this way. It is 1, 2, 4, 1 into M is equals to 13, 5. First of all, order of matrix. You know this is 2 by 2 and this is R into C. Therefore, R is equals to 2 because this has to be equal to 2. And then the resultant over here is a 2 by 1 matrix. So therefore, C is equals to 1. So order of matrix M is equals to 2 by 1. Therefore, let M is equals to A, B. Now we have over here 1, 2, 4, 1 into A, B is equals to 13 and 5. This was 1 by 2, so it is, I'm going to write this only once. So it is 1, 2, 4, 1 into A, into A, into B, into B, plus sign here. So accordingly, this becomes 13 and 5. This will be A plus 4B and 2A plus B is equals to 13 and 5. This is the resultant matrix. Accordingly, we have the two equations over here. First equation is A plus 4B is equals to 13 and second equation is 2A plus B is equals to 5. I multiply this by 2 to make it 2A plus 8B is equals to 26 and 2A plus B is equals to 5. Subtracting the two, that's simultaneous equations. So this is going to be 7B is equals to subtraction will be 21. So B is equal to 21 upon 7, B is equal to 3. Putting the equation over here, we get A plus 4 into 3 is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 minus 12. A is equal to 1. Therefore, M is equal to 1, 3. It was AB, so 1, 3. This is the final answer. Okay, that is 17th ka second, that is 2, 1, 1, 3. 2 by 1, 1, 3. Clear? That was sum number 17. We move on now to sum number 19. Sum number 19. A is 3274. B is equals to 0523 and C is equals to 1 minus 4 minus 5 6. Find A, B minus 5C. This is the question. AB and 5C, very simple. You need to find out AB first. AB is nothing but 3274 into 0523. 2 by 2 matrix, so I am writing it 2 times. 3274, 3274 into 0 plus into 5 into 5 into 2 plus into 3 into 3. That gives me as 0 plus 35, 0 plus 20. This is 6 plus 21, so 27, and 12 plus 4 is 16. That is AB. The next is 5C. 5C is equal to 5 into 1 minus 4 minus 5, 6. That gives me as minus 5, minus 20, minus 25 and 30. So that's what is asked is AB minus 5C. So AB is 35, 20, 27, 16 minus 5C is 5 minus 20 minus 25 and 30. Okay, so this gives me 35 minus 5. This is 20 plus 20. This is 27 plus 25. 16 minus 30. So the answer is 30, 40. This is 52 and 14 minus. That's the answer for sum number 19. Let's check it out. Sum number 19, 30, 40, 52 minus 14. That's correct. We move on to the next sum, that is sum number 21. Okay, sum number 21 is the next one, that is given as A is equals to 3004, B is equals to A0BC, and it is given that A into B is equals to A plus B. Got it? So let's do it. We need to find out value of ABC. So first AB, let's find out AB is nothing but 3004 into A0BC. Writing it twice, we get 3004, 3004 into A plus into 0 into B plus into C into C. That gives me over here 3a into 0 is 3a. This 0 into 0 is 0. This is 3b. So it's 3b into 0, 0 into 4c. So that's 4c. Now it is given that a plus b. What is a plus b? A plus b is 3004 A0BC. Accordingly, a plus b will be 3 plus a, 0 plus b is b, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus c. Got it? So now I have got that it's given that AB is equals to a plus b. Therefore, it is 3a, 0, 3b, 4c is equals to over here 3 plus a, b, 0, 4 plus c. That is what we had got over here. This thing over here and this over here. So accordingly we can correlate 0 to 0 barabar hai. This is 3a is equals to 3 plus a. So 3a minus a is equals to 3. So 2a is equals to 3. So a is equals to 3 upon 2. We move on to the next one. The 3b is equals to b. So what will be happening over here? 3b upon, so it will be 3 b, sorry. B1 3b is equals to 3b, right? So it will be 3b minus b is equals to 0. So 2b is equals to 0. So b is equals to 0. Okay. We have to retain b. If I take division over here to okay, bb gets cancelled. So here we need to retain b. That's why I need to do addition subtraction. The next one is 4c is equals to 4 plus c. So 4c minus c is equals to 4. 3c is equals to 4. C is equals to 4 upon 3. That gives me the three answers as A is equals to 3 upon 2, B is equals to 0 and 4C is equals to 4 upon 3. That was sum number 21, 3 upon 2, 0 and 4 upon 3. Sum number 21. Now we move on to sum number 23. Sum number 23 now. 23rd. A is equals to 2, 4, 1, 2. B is equals to 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2. And C is equals to minus 3, 0, 1 minus 2. You have to find first A into B into C, and second A into C into B. Okay. So we have to follow the sequence properly. A into B into C. So let's multiply A and B first. So AB is equals to 2, 4, 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2. 2, 4, 1, 2. 2, 4, 1, 2. Writing it twice. Into 3, into 3. Into minus 1, into minus 1. Into 4, into 4. Into minus 2, into minus 2. Plus signs over here and here. This gives me as 6 minus 1 is 5. 12 minus 2 is 10. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 16 minus 4 is 12. Now I want to find out A, B, C. That means it will be 5, 10, 6, 12 into minus 3, 0, 1, minus 2. Remember, I cannot take C first, then becomes different. Your A, B, C means this is A, B and this is C. Writing this twice, we get it as 5, 10, 6, 12, 6, 12, 5, 10, 6, 12 into minus 3, into minus 3, into 0, into 0, into 1, into 1, into minus 2, into minus 2. Plus signs here and here. This is nothing but minus 15 into 0. This is minus 30 into 0 plus 0, sorry. 5 and minus 12. Minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. And minus 24 plus 10 is minus 14. That's the answer of A, B, C. Now let's take the second one, ACB. So first AC. So AC is equals to 2, 4, 1, 2 minus 3, 0, 1, minus 2. That gives me as 2, 4, 1, 2, 2, 4, 1, 2 into minus 3 into minus 3 into 0 into 0 into 1 into 1 into minus 2 into minus 2 plus 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 plus. This gives me over here as minus 6. This is minus 12. This is 2 minus 2 is 0 and 4 minus 4 is 0. Got it? Now it's ACB, that is minus 6 minus 12 0 0 into B is 3 minus 1 4 minus 2. That makes it as minus 6 minus 12 0 0 minus 6 minus 12 0 0 into 3 into 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 into 4 into 4 into minus 2 into minus 2. That's the required framework. This gives me as minus 18 minus 36 minus 24 minus 48. So you can see this is nothing but ACB. ABC and ACB are completely different. So ABC not equal to ACB. That's the third part. That is, he asked us if state whether ABC is equals to ACB. So it's not equal. The value of ABC, ABC is minus 15, minus 30, minus 7, minus 14, and there is minus 18, minus 36, minus 24, minus 48. That was sum number 23. We move on to sum number 25. Okay, sum number 25 we have here as A is equals to 2, 1, 1, 3. B is equals to 3 minus 11. You have to find out A into X is equals to B. Find X. Got it? So this is the one in which we do not know the order of X. So we need to find out. We know over here that this is 2, 1, 1, 3 into X is equals to 3 minus 11. So that means this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a R by C matrix. Therefore, first thing is that R is equals to 2. The second thing over here is 2, and this is nothing but the resultant is a 2 by 1 matrix. So 2 by 1 matrix over here. Therefore, C is equals to 1. So therefore, X is equals to, now it's a 2 by 1 matrix. So 2 rows A and B. Accordingly, you have it over here as 2, 1, 1, 3 into A, B is equals to 3 minus 11. Writing this, now this is going to be written only once. So it is 2, 1, 1, 3 into A, into A, into B, a plus sign here and here is equals to 3 minus 11. So you have over here the equation as 2A plus B, A plus 3B is equals to 3 minus 11. So we have the simultaneous equation over here. 2A plus B is equals to 3. First one, and second is a plus 3b is equals to minus 11. Got it? You multiply the second one with 2, so you get it as 2a plus b is equals to 3, and 2a plus 6b is equals to minus 22. Subtractions here, this becomes plus, so this becomes minus 5b. This is equals to 25. So b is equals to 25 upon minus 5. So b is equals to minus 5. Putting in the equation over here, so 2a plus minus 5 is equals to 3. So 2a is equals to 8, a is equals to 4. Hence x is equals to over here 4 minus 5. That's the answer for sum number 25 of this exercise. So 4 and minus 5. Okay. We continue in the next video.